Hey guys, it's Miriam
and Patrick
with lots of toys. We have a super fun toy today we're opening. It's Playmobil, and this time it's city action. We have a rescue helicopter. Looks more like a Coast Guard helicopter with figurines and accessories included. This is the 5542 collection. It's for ages 4 to 10.
Bucket, fire, little thing on fire, big suitcase, pilot hat, guy, fire, rope, bucket, and helicopter.
Use the bucket to dump water. It actually releases water. There's a winch included that attaches to the helicopter. Of course, we have our fun helicopter. Now let's open it up, guys. Wow, look what we have.
We have the main helicopter piece over here.
And this definitely attaches here, so let's see if you can put it together. And look at it, this is pretty large. This is more like a medium helicopter. Then we have our big helicopter. So let's open up the next bag and finish setting up our helicopter. We have instructions here.
Whoa, looks like we got a lot of pieces. So let's get to it.
Yeah, so use the red piece to connect the rotors.
Here we have some spinning rotors.
So that's the light, one of the headlights that goes underneath.
They don't have them on the top.
We need to place some stickers at the top of the rotors. We missed that step. So let's do it now. So here we're going to place one at this end. We're going to build a bucket next. We have this hollow tube here. We're going to need this black piece, and we're going to attach this hook right on it.
And
then
it falls down.
This one goes right in here.
How?
Just like this. You place it in.
I thought you were supposed to stick it in.
No, and then you place this white piece on top. Yep. Just like that. Does that work?
Yeah. Now let's put these pieces.
You attach these hooks to this thing.
If you want to see more Playmobil, click the link down below and check out to see some more.
You'll have to fit those into the spots.
You have to look on the instructions to build this thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Because we never built a Playmobil helicopter.
Perfect. Now that's the bucket that actually drops water. So we have the driver and then we have the paramedic.
He has a life jacket and that helmet to be safe.
Let's put the top to this can here, to this barrel. And one thing we're missing on the helicopter is these handlebars. We need one on this side as well. So they use these handles to grab onto them as they come in and out of the helicopter. We also have a suitcase here.
And you can close it.
You fit the two flames together. Snap them into place. Now let's make our winch. So we have our rope, and what we have to do is tie it. So each hook gets to be tied at each end of the rope. Here's one side. We need to tie the other hook on this one. Okay. That's where this would be attached on one end. We also need a sticker on the top here. Here's our first figurine, and she's a medic. She has her medic outfit. And a suitcase. And a suitcase that has medical tools. Our next figurine is the pilot. He's also a medic. He's part of the team, but he pilots the helicopter. He has his helmet with his radio-controlled unit. He's going to communicate with the paramedic that's going to give life support. Someone, lit the garbage can on fire! We must quickly call for help! The fire is out! The fire is out! Let's land and see if anybody's hurt. Hi there. Hello there, big fellow. Are you hurt? Is anybody hurt? Everyone seems to be okay. Thanks so much for putting the fire out. Thank you so much, guys, for putting the fire out. We don't know how it started. We just saw big flames and we were worried.
Good thinking to call us. Is anyone hurt? Is everyone okay?
I checked everyone. They seem to be okay.
Yeah, we're just fine. Can I get a ride in the helicopter, though?
That's not a good idea, son. You're too small. You're going to have to wait until you grow up and become a pilot.
I can actually give him a ride.
Hooray! I'm gonna get a ride in a helicopter. I'm going to get a ride in a helicopter. Fun!
Thanks so much for giving my son a ride.
Oh, not a problem. Now it's time for us to go.
Awesome, guys. This was so much fun. Thanks for watching. Have you subscribed? Be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Click here for more fun videos. See you guys next time. Bye, everyone.